Hello, welcome to question number 27, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. Given that the f of x is equals to a fraction of 3x minus 5 divided by 6x plus 9, where x cannot be a negative 2 on 3, we have to find the inverse function. Alright, in finding the inverse function, we first of all let the f of x to be equals to the dependent variable what? Y. That means that I'm going to have my equation become y equals to 3x minus 5 divided by 6x plus what? 9. That's the first step to take. The second step is to interchange x and what? Y. Interchange their position. So x will now be here equals to 3y minus 5 divided by 6y plus what? 9. So after interchange, the first step, second step, the third step is to what? Make y the subject again. So in this case, we cross multiply. So as we be having x multiplying 6y plus 9 equals to 3y minus 5 multiplying 1, remaining the same. So we expand this bracket to have 6xy plus 9x equals to 3y minus what? 5. Remember, it is y you are making the subject. So you group them to be at one places. So this is going to be 6xy minus 3y. This is going in there as, okay, for me to avoid the negative. This is going to be negative. Let me rather send this one there and bring the 5 in. So that will become 9x plus 5 equals to 3y minus 6x what? Y. I want to avoid negative in front. So common factor is the y. So I still have my this equals to this, meaning this is also equal to this. So y into bracket 3 minus 6x equals to 9x plus what? 5. So now I can see that my y is going to be equals to 9x plus 5 divided by 3 minus what? 6x, where x cannot be equals to, what do we need? If this, the whole of this become 3, it become 3 minus 3, right? So this is going to be half. If x is half, this become 3. So x cannot be equals to positive half. If it is positive half, this become 3, and that will be what? 0. We don't have to have 0 in the denominator. Alright, so what do we do? Let's check which one will go for that. I think I have positive 5, positive 9, x, positive 6, 3, negative what? 6. So I'm going for the option what? D as the best option for this. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.